Before investing in a farm, you need to stop guessing and look at the real numbers, because farming only becomes profitable when every detail is measured. Let's take a realistic example of a medium poultry egg farm with around 20,000 laying hens, which is a common commercial size worldwide. On average, such a farm produces about 18,000 eggs per day after accounting for natural mortality and production efficiency, which equals roughly 540,000 eggs per month. With a conservative average selling price of $0.10 per egg, total monthly revenue lands around $54,000 or about $650,000 per year. Now let's talk about costs, because this is where most farms fail. Feed is the largest expense, and for 20,000 birds, it typically costs around $28,000 to $32,000 per month, depending on grain prices. Labor costs for farm workers, supervisors, and basic management average $7,000 to $9,000 per month, while utilities such as electricity, water, ventilation, and heating usually add another $4,000 to $5,000 per month. Veterinary services, vaccines, and biosecurity average $1,500 per month. Maintenance and repairs cost about $2,000, transportation and logistics around $2,000, and miscellaneous operational expenses including packaging, cleaning, and losses add another $1,500 per month. When you add everything together, total monthly operating expenses fall in the range of $46,000 to $50,000, leaving a realistic net operating profit of around $4,000 to $8,000 per month, or approximately $50,000 to $90,000 per year in a stable scenario. Broken down further, this farm earns roughly $150 to $260 profit per day, $1,200 to $1,800 per week, and only a few cents per egg, which clearly shows that farming is a volume and efficiency business, not a quick-win project. When you see these figures live on the dashboard, feed intake, mortality rate, egg output, cost per egg, and stock movement, it becomes obvious that small changes in feed efficiency, egg price, or mortality can instantly turn profit into loss, and that is the real reality anyone thinking about starting a farm needs to understand.